who will be volunteer. You can stand anyone about your career mapping. Is there anyone that who already fixed up your career that I like to become this thing? Thank you. Please stand up. What is your name? Master Rahman? Shamrat. Okay. Now you see I bring the case study of the Shamrat. I hope that everyone will follow it. This is the first time I know Shamrat. So I'll go through the case study of the Shamrat. At the same time, I'll bring the attention to the faculty also, see that how I am bringing him as a successful professional. Okay, Shamrat, what is your target?
I'm to be a corporate employee.
What sorts of corporate employee?
My first preference is to be an employee of multinational company.
What sorts of multinational company?
My first target is Bangladesh, British American Tobacco.
Okay, British America Tobacco. Well, you see, first time he has not clear vision. He has the corporate. Second, he came to multinational. Third, I asked him, what exactly, be precise. Then he told British American Tobacco. Well, now it's coming to my mind. And everybody please keep note, again I should say, that whatever we are discussing, if you can put it down professionally and submit it to us, your course teacher is here, Sobhani, Dr. Sobhani, Shibli and Mr. Raju. If you submit it properly, they will give you the full mark or good mark. So I just show him as a case study. Now again I should stress you, it is your responsibility to make understand what exactly we are communicating. Okay, Shamrat, please come here. আমি সম্রাটকে ব্রিটিশ আমেরিকান টোবাকো জব দিচ্ছি, এখানে দাঁড়াও, but how? Look, so that's why I should say that তোমরা very carefully go through about our discussion. And I need to get the attention of our teacher and definitely the Jaws BD people also to move it right this way and then it will be successful. Okay, Shamrat, first of all দেখো সে কিন্তু দুইটা ভুল করলো। তৃতীয় নম্বরে এসে সে বললো ব্রিটিশ আমেরিকান টোবাকো এবং এটাও কিন্তু সে মেন্টালি রেডি ছিল না, হঠাৎ করে বলে ফেলছে, am I right?
Right, sir.
সে কিন্তু তার মানে কি? Are you clear? He is not really determined his career. Is it not a bad luck? Is it not a bad luck? If he really determined himself to be a man for this target, then he is successful. But you see, এখন হয়তো সে কিছুটা জটিলতায় পড়ে যাওয়ার কারণে তার মনে আসছে ব্রিটিশ আমেরিকা টোবাকো এটা বড় কোম্পানি, বলে ফেলি স্যারকে। Anyway, I am considering it as a case study. Well, ব্রিটিশ আমেরিকা টোবাকো পাওয়ার জন্য তোমার কি যোগ্যতা আছে সম্রাট বলো?
I think I have certain skill. I have achieved those, like I'm good at presentation and I have communication skill and I have leadership skill. And I think that this sort of skill will help me to get a job in British American Tobacco, sir.
No. কেউ জব দিবা তাকে? বলো। কেউ তাকে ব্রিটিশ আমেরিকান টোবাকো জব দিবা তোমরা যদি এমপ্লয়ি HR হেডে থাকো? These sorts of facility or opportunity is 90% people have. Someone is low, someone is high. আবারও তোমাকে আমি অপরচুনিটি দিচ্ছি। আমি why I'm look myself, let's say now I am representing British American Tobacco. Why I will recruit you? You have the capability to be present yourself, you have the leadership capability, you have the presentation. That doesn't matter. How can you give me the business? Why I will recruit you?
Sir, I think that this skill will help me to make profit to your organization. And when I can make profit to your organization, you are definitely going to give me the job.
Well, Mr. Shamrat, do you know how many products we are doing?
British American Tobacco is selling some cigarettes like Bensons and Gold Leaf and this kind of cigarettes.
But do you know this is very harmful for the health and it is already awareness to the given to the all of the smoking contents that it is the very unhealthy for the people. Why you are choosing this career?
Yes, your product are negative, but if it's a golden career, and if I can get the job, then it will be product are negative, but jobs are not.
How can? You are selling such a product which is written to the packet that it is harmful for your health. Please don't smoke.
Yes, we are asking don't smoke, but often people are taking. So this is not our responsibility to, it's our responsibility to concern people, but not our responsibility to prevent them.
No? Is there anyone who can compliment with him or help him?
Anybody please raise your hand.
Well, first of all, he need to know that what exactly the product line of the British American Tobacco. He do not know. This is not the major component of the British American Tobacco now. British American Tobacco has also the chain hotel. A lot of you may not know. British American Tobacco is diversified their business in a lot of other area. British American Tobacco has a lot of value-added service. They have lot of value-added service. Under and these tobacco business, whatever they are earning, they contribute at a major amount of money for the corporate social responsibility to help the other people, to help the poor people, to develop the education system of the country, the poor deprived student, deprived people. They are also set up a lot of hospital. Lot of matter is going on. So Mr. Shomrat, how many you know about it?
Sir, still I'm studying about British American Tobacco. Inshallah, I hope that inshallah after 1 month I will able to give you the all information you required, sir.
But while you come to interview as a British American Tobacco, do you think that you need to study it?
Yes, I obviously need to study.
Okay. So এখন আসো, as he is not prepared, so আমি ওকে আর বেশি ভিতরে গিয়ে লাভ হবে না। এবার আসো যে আমি সম্রাটের জায়গায় দাঁড়াচ্ছি। Yes, I am সম্রাট. Yes, I know the British American Tobacco. আমাকে ইন্টারভিউর প্রশ্ন করছে। Yes, you have 35 product and 50 product you are doing in 15 product you are doing in the European market. In Bangladesh market you are doing 5 product. Yes, your turnover is 2.2 billion. In Bangladesh your market segment is 2% or 20%. Yes, I know you do the corporate social responsibility and your whole budget you already allocated 2% to the corporate social responsibility, and I personally like one of your corporate social responsibility for the beautification of the Dhaka city, and also I love to one of your corporate social responsibility you do in the North Bengal, some deprived people, few of the school, the name is XYZ. Yes, I know this thing. Yes, I already study about you, and if you recruit me, I can contribute this thing. This is my presentation, what I studied last few days about the British American Tobacco, because I understood that if you recruit me, I need to prove myself that yes, I will add the value to the British American Tobacco. And yes, I know, in European market, your company is doing well, because the people, those who are already working in the European market, they are very capable comparison to the Asian market. Yes, in American market, your segment is very high because there is this number of smoker is too high. Yes, I know that in Oman are now also starting the smoking, and you are already introducing the electronic cigarette. Do you know they have the electronic cigarette now? And I know that yes, it is very harmful for the health, but at the same time you are a warning to the people, please don't smoke. That's why the British American Tobacco need to divert to the other product, which should be helpful for the people, and I am quite sure if you recruit me, time will be coming in future that I will introduce some of the product which is organic and helpful. Maybe they will smoking, but maybe it will be helpful for the health. Am I right? So do you think the interviewer will think to recruit you or not? Sure? So do you think? তাহলে এখন প্রশ্ন হচ্ছে, it is your responsibility to identify yourself, you are a right candidate. এবং এই কাজটা করার জন্য গুগল আঙ্কেলকে তোমরা যদি ব্যবহার করো, একদিন ইজ এনাফ, বাট ইট ইজ ভেরি ব্যাড লাক। ইট ইজ ভেরি ব্যাড লাক যে while you are going to face the interview, you are not prepared yourself. At the same time, I am adding some value. If Shamrat is open his smartphone, sir, if you don't mind, can I open my smartphone? Yes, you can. Sir, look, this is my Facebook. I already wrote this blog on this anti-smoking, smoking, value addition, corporate social responsibility. You see, so this is the YouTube I already like. these sorts of, I study British America tobacco, Aki's tobacco, Alif tobacco, these sorts of meter. Sir, this is one of my papers, research paper, while I was student of the Daffodil International University. I'm very lucky. I got the opportunity under the leadership of the Dr. Sobhani, who already gave me one assignment to study on the British America tobacco as a case study. And my project, I hope that you will be surprised. I already give a lot of the value here, and I'm quite confident if I get the opportunity, the British America tobacco is now contributing to the Bangladesh is 170 million. But I can assure you, say at least 2% value I will add you if you give me the opportunity. If not, I'm ready to leave anytime. And I will understood that I'm not the right person. But you can see, allow me, and give me the opportunity to prove my efficiency. তার মানে কি? তার মানে তুমি কথা বলছো, প্রুফ দেখাচ্ছ, হাতে দেখাচ্ছ, টেকনোলজিতে দেখাচ্ছ, ব্রেইনে দেখাচ্ছ, তোমার চোখ, তোমার বিবেক, everything you are ready to be joined in the British America tobacco.